Alright, so we're going to show you how to use the Java shell or jshell inside of a terminal, in this case on macOS. So I type in jshell, Jshell, enter, and up comes the shell. And then as soon as I do that, I can now start putting things in like defining a string. So here I've got a string called message, and I'm assigning it a counter value is with a space between double quotation marks. And now I'm going to print it out. Okay, but I forgot what print line was, so I got to system.out.print, and I hit tab, and it gave me some options. Now I'm going to try and get that message there with the counter, and then, well, I forgot to put the counter in, so it tells me right there, you can see it being pointed up, that I have an error with this variable called counter. It doesn't know what that is, so I have to define it. So int counter is equal to 1, or is assigned 1. That means that I now have a variable called counter. It's got a value of 1. I try the system print line, and it works. I try and increment it, and I can increment the counter, and I'm going to increment it again. So now the counter should be equal to 3, and it is. And you can see that jshell is telling us that it has a value of 3. Now I'm going to print that message out one more time. So here we go. So I just hit the up arrow to get back to the old version of the system printout, and there you have it. Now I can exit/exit, and I'm out. That's jshell.